first one is to have a very, very clear value proposition. Okay, you have to explain people what's in it for them. The next thing is you obviously need a very, very strong call to action, right? You need to tell them what to do, right? Click here, sign up here, leave your email. The third thing is you need to keep them focused, right? People lose attention. If you're going to show them everything that you have, if you're going to tell them all the tiny little details, you're going to lose them. The fourth thing that we're talking about is the visual. You always want to show them some kind of an image, and that image is hopefully going to explain to them what they are going to get. What are they signing up for? The fifth thing that you'll need on your landing page is show an example of other people using this. Who else is using this? We as people, we're very, very biased to believe that it's probably a good thing and we should actually try this.